Exe. Today, I want to unbox the Xiaomi S400 Body Composition Scale, the perfect tool to help you keep track of your health and fitness goals. Let's see what it can do. I purchased this smart body scale at the Santon Me store for 550 rands. First, let's look at the box. It is quite minimalistic, with Xiaomi's signature branding and quick overview of the features on the back. Inside, we have the scale itself, neatly packed and protected, and a quick start guide to help you set it up. And that's all. Simple and straightforward, just how I like it. Well, for me, I won't be needing the quick start guide as it is very simple to set up, but you can always feel free to check it out and ensure you use the device properly. Otherwise, just go through this video again. Haha. Now let's take a closer look at this beauty. The tempered glass surface feels premium, and the rounded edges add a touch of elegance while ensuring safety. The LED display is completely invisible when the scale is off. You will need some AAA batteries though. Make sure to buy them, as it is not power supplied, which is great for mobility. You can place it in your bathroom, kitchen or bedroom, wherever. Once it turns on, a Bluetooth sign will flick when it is ready to pair with the Xiaomi Home mobile app. Let's test it out, see if it works. I clocked in at 85.6 kgs. Not bad considering I was 90 kgs a while ago. Remember to place the scale on a flat surface for accuracy. Now let's get to the fun part. You need to download the app at your relevant store, create an account and log in. I already had mine downloaded and signed in, so I'm going to just go ahead and add the device. To add a device, I hit the little plus icon on the top right and select Add Device. It will start searching for nearby devices. It was impressively quick to pick up my device. Simply select the device and select it again. From here on, you just need to follow the prompts. It will check for your device and do standard verification steps. And once all that is done, hit Done. Now select or create a room in which you will place your body scale. This is only a virtual room. I decided to place it in my bedroom. Next, it prompts you to set a name for it. I was quite happy with the default name and hit Next. Let it load. Once it's done, agree to the user agreements and privacy policies. The app will ask you for personal information now that you've signed your life away. Fill in all fields for the best results. For your weight, you can manually enter it or simply select its step on the scale for measurement. That's what I did. I mean, why not? Now follow the on-screen instructions once again to measure your weight. Ensure it is on a flat surface. My wife weighed in at 24 kgs when we had it on a carpet. Haha! The body composition scale is a game changer and uses the round electrodes on the scale to send electrical signals through your body to measure your weight, BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, water percentage, and so much more. The body composition scale can also sync with your Mi Fit or Xiaomi Health app, as well as the iOS Health app and many more. You can also have up to 16 different users and a guest mode, and it can measure general objects as light as 100 grams. The S400 uses BIA, bioelectrical impedance analysis, to measure body composition with high accuracy. Now, once I was done with my weight, I did a full reading of my body. Just go back to the home page of the app and hit measure while stepping on the scale to get an overall reading. Now give it a few seconds to get all your readings. And there's my consistent 85.6 kgs once again. Next, it will measure my heart rate. Once that is done, you may need to allow it to connect to your respective health app. I'm using an iOS device, so it prompted me to allow the health app to collect my health information. I of course allowed everything. You can simply turn all on or enable them individually. It is completely up to you. Now, don't panic about your results. I know I did. Haha! And this is it. The moment of truth. My weight report. This includes my body score of 79 points with some recommendations on how to improve it. I had a high BMI and high body fat percentage. Phew. Haha! This is bad. And here is the rest of the body composition results. I had a few greens at least. Unfortunately, my body type was considered obese. Haha! I'm sure there is a glitch in the system, but overall, I like that it gives recommendations and weight suggestions. For me, this is more than just a scale, it's almost a personal fitness assistant. If you found this unboxing helpful, let me know in the comments. What feature of the S400 are you most excited about? Until next time, stay healthy and stay smart.